How to add a shipping address on Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to add a shipping address in the Shein app. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Shein app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after tapping on that, you'll enter the profile section. From here, you simply need to tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option labeled address book. Now here, simply tap on add a shipping address and you will see a form with several fields where you can enter your details. So you need to start by selecting your country. And once you have done that, fill in your first name and last name and phone number. Shein make it easy by allowing you to enter your full address in one field, including street address, state, city and zip codes. And if you prefer to enter each detail separately, you can simply tap on enter address manually. And once you have filled in all the required information, you can simply tap on save or done, and that's it. Now your new shipping address is saved and ready for your next Shein order. And there you have it. Adding a shipping address to the Shein app is quick and easy. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.